Alright guys, so we're back again in this channel.
Yo, what's up, MTV?
Yeah. So we finally put in the bolts on the top hat of the air strut here. So that's already done. That was the last thing we needed to do prior to. Oh man. You gotta let it charge a little bit, son. This thing has been dead for a couple of days. Well, we'll just plug that in then. But as we do that, we're gonna finally put the car on the ground. And we're gonna slap, of course, brand up the stickers on here. You know, you can rep the road to VIP. Trunk is fully done, wiped down and cleaned. Diffuser's finally all the way on. Look at that. Oh, it looks dope. Yeah, it looks sick. So that's completed as well. And then, yeah, we're finally gonna roll it out of the garage once this is completed. George, tell the channel what's up, what's up?
What's up?
What's up? Yeah, so, and also I wet sanded my tables. So stay tuned. Be alert on the Instagram and y'all be seeing the final product of these. They are gonna go on my Challenger, you know, right there. Yeah, but yeah, that's exactly where we are right now. I'm gonna charge up the damn box so we can get the car going and take some rolling shots on it being outside. Alright guys, so the Genesis is finally leaving. We're just gonna back it up, reverse it, put the spoiler on, and wait for Juan to get here.
Double check, make sure you don't hear anything that we didn't hear. We drove it down like just down the street, like right here. I had to have him drive it because it felt weird to me. I don't know.
Basically, to close out this video, Juan just picked up his car. Dude was ecstatic on how we left it. We even cleaned up some of the parts, the carbon fiber, that way it blings in the sun. Yeah, pretty much the dude, we basically redid the air suspension on the trunk setup, not the whole entire vehicle, but just the trunk setup. Gave it a whole fresh new look, new lines, new flooring. Even threw some LEDs in there. I don't know if you guys seen any of the videos that I posted up on the YouTube, but definitely check them out prior to even seeing this video. That way you guys are up to date on how we left the vehicle. So we did that. We even did new interior pieces that he had ordered of carbon fiber from G4 Works. So shout out to G4 Works because they basically built the whole entire vehicle through the carbon fiber, the steering wheel, and other little parts that he has in the car. And yeah, so like I said, Juan was ecstatic. You guys will see it in some of the clips. And but yeah, man, we're happy to have finished this car finally, due to the timing. But you know, he gave us enough time to finish the car. And yeah. And of course, I'm wearing my Raider jersey today because they are playing the Chargers. And they're playing in LA, so let's get that W. We gotta stay up in the league. We gotta be behind KC and sneak up behind them and beat them. But that's football talk. But yeah, that's pretty much closes out the Genesis and closes out for this chapter because we are gonna be building some more vehicles. We got a hatchback coming in, Toyota 20. It's a 2020 hatchback Corolla. And then we got a couple of the 350Z, and then we got another 370Z. And I believe there's one more car, might be another Lexus. But those are the 4 cars that we do have lined up, has appointments to come in the garage and get built, man. All we do is make people's dreams. So yeah, definitely look out on Roll TVIP on the Instagram, and I'll put everything on the description as well. Check out my Instagram page as well. Check out Chris's Instagram page as well. So I'll put all those in the descriptions. You don't want to miss out on anything that we post up, of course. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Well, it's time for me to go, yo. Continue on to life. Definitely stay tuned to the channel, like, subscribe, comment anything you guys want. That way we give you guys feedback on what we're building, how we got to where we're building it, things like that. Because if people ain't commenting on what we're doing, how we know what people are actually interested in, what we want to do for you guys. So definitely comment down in the comment box, guys. But till then, remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow our YouTube channels. Follow our Instagrams. Everything's in the description as well. And yeah, later, guys.